Welcome back to another episode of Angular Mystery Box with me, Leandro, your navigator through the Angular universe. Before we blast off, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for a regular dose of Angular insights. Today, we're unraveling the magic of Angular Directives, a feature so powerful, yet so understated. Directives in Angular are like the secret spices in a chef's kitchen. They might seem small, but boy do they pack a flavor punch. With directives, you can manipulate the DOM in ways that would make even a seasoned magician jealous. Think of it this way. You have this beautiful HTML template, but it's like a canvas waiting for its color. Directives are those bursts of color, bringing life and interactivity to your application. But here's where it gets really interesting. There are three kinds. Components, which we all know and love, but then there are structural and attribute directives. Structural directives are like shapeshifters, altering the layout by adding or removing DOM elements. And attribute directives, they're like personality enhancers, changing the appearance or behavior of elements. Now the coolest part, you can create your own custom directives. It's like crafting your very own wand in the world of Angular wizardry. Want a directive that makes text blink in Morse code? Go for it. The sky's the limit. So dive into the world of Angular Directives. Experiment, play, and watch as your app transforms from a mere collection of templates to a dynamic, interactive masterpiece. And that, my friends, wraps up today's Angular Mystery. If you love this exploration, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us for more adventures in coding. Keep your curiosity alive, and remember, in the world of Angular, you're only limited by your imagination. This was Leandro. Peace out.